Good morning. So we're gonna go film something really cool today. Boys and I are really excited.
Hey guys, today we're going to test the Ferrari Roma. Yeah! Woohoo!
So we're off now to see the Ferrari Roma. Can we get the key without the car?
Yeah.
No. There's power in this. Yeah. So this is for new Ferraristas. This is so new from Ferrari. Are you guys comfortable in the back?
Yes, yes.
So it's like the new modern.
Yeah, it's modern.
And they chose to do the Roma, but it's a different target market.
Yeah, it's different. It's new target market.
New target
Ferrari.
market.
Yeah, this time.
Very nice. Very nice. Impressive. How are you guys in the back? You feel it?
Yeah.
You feel the G-force?
Yes.
Do you like the car?
Yes.
It's special, no?
Yeah.
But this is like the new kid on the block. This is the new hype. This is the... Yeah, the Portofino is amazing, but down they just put an M a little bit. But this is really new.
This is new from A to Z.
A to Z. Okay.
Let's get it.
Inshallah. Abdullah, thank you so much
حبيبي
for today's tour.
شرفتنا ونورتنا.
Shukran wallahi. It's an amazing car.
Good driver ما شاء الله.
Safe driver. Safe driver. He was worried. Safe driver.
Good driver and safe driver.
Safe driver. No, inshallah, this is an amazing car. Hope you have so much
حبيبي,
success.
inshallah.
It was a pleasure.
My
Thank you
pleasure.
so much.
Thank you.
Hey guys, my experience was amazing. The car is absolutely wow. Everything, you touch it and it works. When you turn it on, you don't have to do a turn or key or anything. You just touch it. Just like that. The Ferrari Roma is amazing. When I was in the Ferrari Roma, when Baba went like zoom, I went to the back. It was pretty amazing. Baba, can we get the car? Thank you, Ferrari, for letting us test drive this amazing car.
Zaidu,
Yes.
how much horsepower does the Ferrari Roma have?
620. Imagine how many horses. It's like 620 horses are pulling a horse carriage. That is awesome.
Thank you, Ferrari Saudi Arabia. Thank you, Ferrari. It was an amazing car. You did a great job. This is really such a cool car for the family, but it gives dads what they want, and that is some torque, some power when you need it, but everyone can fit in it. It's an amazing car. Thank you again, and we'll see you very soon. Bye.